Today we're gonna make pedida. Ingredients just three things or four plus. Here is cornstarch and sugar and peanut butter. Peanut butter is optional if you want it or not. This is water, just regular water. It's boiling. So I got whisk here. I will whisk it, and then those dry, I'm gonna use it for maybe when it's done. So here we're gonna put 2 or 3, as much you want, how many you wanna make it, like this, and then add regular water, cold water too. Mix it. If you want a thick or thin on you, you're gonna put how much you want. It's not exactly as I'm doing right now. If you got a lot of people, because we got Ramadan is coming, a lot of people visit you, friends, family, you can do it more. So here when I mix it, I have to pour it here. It is hot water already. Just mix it up. Continue, because when you stop, you can do lumps. We don't need it to have lumps in it. To me it's not enough. I can add 1 more spoon. Always mix it with water before you add it in. Because when you add it without you mix it, it's gonna be a mess. So start just mix. Getting a little bit thick. I forgot to mention something. We got lemon juice, just regular sour lemon juice. You can add it to it. Just you're gonna taste it. If you want it to be sour or just a little bit. Sometimes we use kirkere. I'm gonna make one with kirkere right here. Biscuits. It's really nice when you fasting. This is sugar. We're gonna add the sugar on it as much you want. If you have sugar, don't add a lot. If you like a lot of sugar, you can add it more. If it's not, just do it as you want. It's easy and fast. It don't take that long. Cornstarch. peanut butter is optional. If you want to put it added to it, or just you want it regular on you. But we like it to put a little bit peanut butter on it. It tastes more better with peanut butter. But if you don't like that, don't put it. We do it back home in Ramadan time, or somebody sick, or you got new baby, they make it for you. Isn't that beautiful? See how it looks like? So it's ready now. You're gonna leave it when it boils. It's ready, and then we're gonna put it in this jar. It's ready. It's not taking that long. It's easy, very easy to make. Because we got the kids, they raise them here. Maybe they don't know. So I have to make it, show them. It's ready. So see you next. Welcome back. After it's done, it look like this. So it's two color or two flavor. This is kirkere and then this is regular. So we're gonna see how. See, it's supposed to look like this. It's not thick. It's not thick. This is the same thing. Don't make it very thick, just like this. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you so much. I need your help to grow my channel. Thank you. See you next video. Bye.